It's a beautiful day, especially when you're talking about our little baby newborn offspring. In Chahtah, our Indigenous Aboriginal tongue, the word for baby is Alansi. 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 Defining my Indigenous Aboriginal babies by nature. Halito, Chimachukma. Greetings, how are you? I am Chahtah and welcome. When our Indigenous and Aboriginal newborns come into this physical plane, naturally through our mothers, both mother and father recognize their own spirit embodied in that tiny ball of flesh. And based on the spirit emanating through this combined oneness of procreation by both, that spiritual expression emanating from within the baby is what is used for mother and father to define their little ball of wonder while on this earthly journey. Examples of Indigenous Aborigine baby names in Chahtah tongue would be like the following. Amakale, meaning graceful, or Isi, meaning dear. Amakale, Isi, like graceful deer. Kana, meaning friendly, like in friendly face, friendly spirit, friendly heart. Homie, meaning strong. You know, like we use this slang word homie that you call your best friend. The guys, they call their friends their homie. We've been using this word all the time. Kaya, meaning well-fed. And this name Kaya for this little cute little baby here would be fitting, because that baby sure can eat and looks like she's being well-fed. Yakuki, Hacha Pisa Lacha Ki. Thank you for viewing and see you all later. Techi Hila Anchimaka. I love you, Mother Earth.